Today we'll be looking at how to solve linear equations within few minutes. First of all, what is linear equation? Let me give you the form at which linear equation occurs. Look at this. Ax plus bx is equals to 0, or ax plus b is equals to cs plus d. So this is the form at which linear equation occurs. A, b, c, and d are numbers, and x is the unknown. So the solution of this equation is the value of x that makes the equation true. Let's look at some examples. We have an equation like this: 3x plus 7 is equals to 2x plus 12. So the goal of this equation is to find the value of x. And how do you find the value of x? The first thing to do is to collect like terms, because you can see that some numbers have x, others don't have x. So those that have x, you have to collect it together, and the ones that are just numbers, they have to be arranged separately. So by doing so, you have 3x. Now you bring this 2x by the right hand side across the equal sign, and when it is coming across the equal sign, the sign changes and it becomes minus 2x. Now you write equal to, then you have 12 left at the right hand side, you write the 12. Then this 7 at the left hand side, when you cross it to the other side of the equal sign, it becomes minus. So you have 12 minus 7. Now when you say 3x minus 2x, it gives you 1x, which is equal to 12 minus 7 gives you 5. So this is how to solve linear equation like this. So the goal of linear equation is to find the value of the unknown. I hope it is well understood. Let's look at another example quickly. We have an equation like this: 7x minus 3 is equals to 3x plus 9. So like I said earlier, the goal is to find the value of the unknown. And to do that, first of all, you have to collect the like terms. We have 7x and then we have 3x at the other side. So when you are bringing the 3x from the other side of the equal sign, when you are crossing it, the sign changes and becomes minus. So you have 7 minus 3x equals to, then the 9 that is left at the right hand side, you write it down. Now when you are crossing this minus 3 to the other side of the equal sign, it becomes plus 3. Now 7x minus 3x will give you 4x equals to 9 plus 3, that gives you 12. Now, what we are looking for is not 4x, but what we are looking for is x. So to get the value of x, you have to divide both sides of the equation by 4 so that x can stand alone. So when you say 4x divided by 4, you have x. And then when you say 12 divided by 4, it will give you 3. So 3 becomes your answer. So this is how to solve linear equations easily. I hope this is quite understood. Let's look at the last example. We have an equation like this, and this one is a little bit complicated than the two previous examples because this one involves fraction. So when you have an equation like this, x plus 2 all over 4 is equal to 5 over 2. How do you solve this? The first thing to do in this kind of situation is to cross multiply. We use 2, which is the denominator at the other side, multiplied by the numerator at the left hand side. That is, we have 2 bracket x plus 2, which is equals to, now 5 at the other side, cross multiplied by the 4, which is down here. And then the next thing to do is to expand the bracket. And to expand it, you multiply what is outside the bracket by everything inside the bracket. That is 2 times x to give you 2x plus 2 times 2, and that will give you 4, equals to 5 times 4 is equals to 20. Now collect like terms. You have 2x left here is equals to 20 minus 4, because when you take plus 4 across the equal sign, the sign changes and becomes minus 4. And then you have 2x equals to 20 minus 4, and that gives you 16. Now to get the value of x, divide both sides of the equation by 2 so that x can stand alone. So you have 2x divided by 2 to give you x is equals to 16 divided by 2. That gives you 8, and that becomes your answer. So this is how to easily solve linear equations without stress and within minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please ensure you like it, ensure you share, ensure you comment, and ensure you subscribe. See you in our other videos.